how to disable startup apps. Let's get started. If you find this video useful, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Hit on Windows plus I button on keyboard to open up the settings, and go ahead and click on this app, and then you can see here is a startup apps for you. So click here. Now here it shows you like every single apps that is launching on the startup. So you wanted to disable everything that you don't need it. For example, I don't want this ccxprocess.exe and IJ network scanner and this as well. I don't want to launch this as well. So just turn off that you guys don't need it. But there are some applications that it need to be turned on, like Realtek HD, which is needed for like a purpose. So if you disable this, your audio won't be able to work out. So keep that in mind, guys. So you need to check out when you guys disabling this. So I'm just going to turn off the Spotify right now, and terminal, the audio as well, and Viber. So these things is what I needed, like Realtek HD audio and Websmax audio as well, and this as a Windows security. So this is it, guys. This is how it should be disabling or turning off the startup apps. By doing this, you will see the speed boost on while you boot up the Windows 11. Well, that's it, guys. I think this video resolved your issue to turn off the startup. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.